In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook error 0x800ccc0f. This error usually pops up when Outlook can't maintain a stable connection to your mail server, often because of network hiccups, firewall or antivirus interference, or corrupted account settings. The goal is to restore smooth send and receive operations with a few targeted checks. Start by confirming your internet connection is solid. Make sure you can browse the web reliably, and if you know your mail server address, try a quick ping to see if it responds. If things feel sluggish, restart your router to refresh the connection. VPNs and proxies can block or reroute traffic in ways Outlook doesn't like, so turn them off temporarily and test again. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection if you can, or briefly toggle Wi-Fi off and back on. These simple resets often clear transient connectivity drops that trigger the error. Next, temporarily turn off your firewall and antivirus to rule out security software blocking Outlook. On Windows, open Control Panel, go to System and Security, then Windows Defender Firewall, and select the option to turn it off for a short test. Do the same in your antivirus app if it has email scanning. Test Outlook immediately, then turn protection back on right after. This step helps you confirm whether security rules are interrupting Outlook's server handshake without leaving your device unprotected longer than necessary. If the issue persists, refresh the Outlook account configuration. In Outlook, go to File, Account Settings, and open Account Settings. Select the affected account, remove it, and then add it back using New with the automatic setup. Before you finish, increase the server timeout so Outlook has more time to communicate with the server. Go to Account Settings, change More Settings, then the Advanced tab, and set the server timeouts to 10 minutes or more. This is especially helpful on slower networks or busy servers and can also clear up profile corruption that causes disconnects. Finally, launch Outlook in safe mode to rule out problematic add-ins. Press Windows +R, type outlook.exe safe, and press Enter. If Outlook works here, go to File, Options, Add-ins, choose COM Add-ins, click Go, and disable any add-ins you don't need. Close Outlook and start it normally to verify that Send and Receive now work without the error. Follow these steps in order, and you should see the 0x800ccc0f error disappear. Thanks for watching.